Refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicates how many times per second your monitor updates the display. Understanding this concept is essential for optimizing your Sceptre monitor's performance. Higher refresh rates provide significant benefits, including smoother motion rendering, reduced motion blur, lower input lag, and enhanced gaming performance. These improvements make a noticeable difference in your viewing experience. Sceptre monitors offer a wide range of refresh rates, from standard 60 Hz displays to high-performance gaming monitors with 144 Hz, 165 Hz, and even 240 Hz capabilities, making high refresh rate technology accessible to various users. To adjust your refresh rate using the monitor's built-in controls, first access the on-screen display menu by pressing the menu button on your Sceptre monitor. Then navigate to Display or System Settings to find the refresh rate options. Alternatively, you can adjust refresh rates through your graphics driver settings. This includes NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD software, or Intel graphics settings, each providing direct access to display configuration options. Whether you choose to adjust refresh rates through your monitor's OSD menu or graphics driver settings, both methods provide reliable ways to optimize your Sceptre monitor's performance for your specific needs. The first step in optimizing your Sceptre monitor's refresh rate is ensuring your cable can handle the desired performance. Different cable types have specific limitations that directly impact your maximum refresh rate. HDMI 1.4 supports up to 144 Hz at 1080p resolution, making it suitable for basic high refresh rate gaming. However, for higher resolutions or refresh rates, you'll need HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort connections. DisplayPort 1.2 and 1.4 offer superior bandwidth, supporting 165 Hz at 440p and 240 Hz at 1080p. For the best performance with your Sceptre monitor, DisplayPort is the recommended connection. Next, enable adaptive sync technology if your Sceptre monitor and graphics card support it. G-Sync and FreeSync eliminate screen tearing and provide smoother gameplay at variable frame rates. To enable adaptive sync, access your graphics card control panel. For NVIDIA users, enable G-Sync in the NVIDIA control panel. AMD users should enable FreeSync in AMD software settings. For optimal gaming performance, adjust your monitor's response time to the fastest setting. This reduces motion blur and improves clarity during fast-paced action. Disable V-Sync when using adaptive sync technology, as they can conflict and cause stuttering. Enable your monitor's game mode for reduced input lag and better responsiveness. Keep your graphics drivers updated for optimal compatibility and performance. Outdated drivers can prevent access to higher refresh rates or cause stability issues. If your desired refresh rate isn't available, first verify your cable specifications and graphics card capabilities. Many refresh rate issues stem from using inadequate cables or outdated hardware. If you encounter display artifacts like flickering or color distortion at high refresh rates, try reducing the refresh rate slightly, adjusting response time settings, or checking your power supply and ventilation. These optimization and troubleshooting steps will help you achieve the best possible refresh rate performance from your Sceptre monitor. Remember that stable performance is more important than maximum refresh rates.